The ringgit dropped to its 25-year low and is one of the worst performers amongst its Asian peers. To put things into perspective, 25 years ago, Malaysia was undergoing an Asian financial crisis, and at that point in time, many companies were going bankrupt, and it was a very painful time for many Malaysians. That being said, however, Malaysia as a nation managed to find a solution and pull itself out from that situation. Now today, our currency seems to be dropping more and more. I think the two big questions is, number one, will jobs be secure? And number two, will cost of living be more expensive? So let me answer number one with regards to jobs. So the last time around, what happened was a lot of companies actually made borrowings in US dollar. And as the US dollar appreciated against the ringgit, many companies were in financial problems. With that being said, however, today, a lot of Malaysian companies actually learned their lesson and they have less borrowings in US dollar. So therefore, we don't see that many companies going under like we did before. The second big question is, will this increase the cost of living? So to answer this, let's look at the farming sector, especially the poultry, whereby in order for them to feed their chickens, they will need to import things like corn and also soy, which mostly need the US dollar to actually buy these products. So with regards to certain food items, we may see an increase as the ringgit depreciates. And finally, for those Malaysians that love to travel, I think with our currency kind of getting weaker, especially against the US dollar, maybe it's not the best time for us to travel over there. And I would highly suggest to travel local, as there's so many wonderful, beautiful sites over in Malaysia.